Okay, so I'm going to hold this together like this, and I'm going to lift. As I lift, I only have to lift it up maybe a ½ inch or so. I just want you to kind of hang on to stuff, and I think it's going to lift and kind of snap into place. Okay? Okay, I'm trying to hold this together. Okay. There it is. As simple as that.
That's it.
That's it.
Legos.
Whoopee!
Like a Lego.
Okay, high five on that one. I was making more of an issue than it was, but hey, that went in pretty slick. Okay, now, before I guess I could line this up a little bit before I work on this other door or this other wall. See that? I can feel it's snapped into place. It's beyond here and everything. And I'm just looking at this whole wall has to be shifted that way a little bit. So I want you to just for the sake of argument, just kind of hang on to that. And I'm going to push it over just a hair, if I can. I don't know. My knee, maybe. Yeah. Lining it up over here. Looks like I need to go your way just a hair more. I'm looking on this side corner here, and it looks like it has to go that way just a hair. Okay?
I'm ready.
Probably about like that. I'm liking that reveal. This actually could go just a hair further, but it's all in that groove there, I think. Let me look. Yeah, that looks like it's in there. Okay, so I'm going to take this and push it over that way just a little. Look at that. That lines up perfectly there. And the reveal looks to be the same. That looks pretty good. If anything, this has to be slid over about to there. Now, I can put this last panel on. And when I do that, I'm going to line this up. Before I screw it in, I've got to lift this up and slip it in the same way, right?
Right.
Be ready for this.
Can't wait.
You know what? Before we do anything else, although we don't really have to do it just now, but we could, there's 2 screws that line this up down in the base, and because we don't have to do anything with this anymore, now's the time to fish for those holes, right? And that's where the 2 smaller screws are. And have I checked this yet? No, I haven't.
No, you haven't.
But look at that they are lined up. It looks like they're perfectly lined up. Believe it or not. It's just that simple. Ooh. That one feels pretty snug.
Maybe it's off just a hair, Joe.
Well,
From here.
it might be. They look like they're pretty close. Okay. Now I'm able to screw that one down by hand. This one over here. Look at that, it's going right down, easy. Easy, breezy. This one here, it's still just a hair snug as a bug. Look at that.
Together.
I don't know.
Has to go out a little bit.
Well, I'm gonna try it out just a tiny smidge.
Yeah, we don't want those to be stripped.
I know. Oh, I won't be able to strip them if I can't get it in there. Yeah. It's going. Okay. It's going a little snug, but I know it's going nice. Now it's going in a lot easier. See there? gonna just make these snug. I'm not gonna tighten them down all the way. I guess I could if I had to. That's your next step. Here's another something that'll help you. See, here's one of the side panels. And see, it's got this little groove in there. And that groove, obviously this side panel has to fit in there. And this, you can kind of move it back and forth a little bit, wherever you need to fit in there. So when you push this in, if it's not fitting, you've got to walk inside or something in here and make sure this is lined up properly. Okay? There's a tip for you.